Good morning, my class. It feels really weird for you guys not to say that back. This is our first welcome video. So, good morning. Welcome to a real day of distance learning. So, let's get started. On here on the screen, you can see our schedule for today. Just like how we had a schedule in our classroom, we have a schedule for distance learning. The first and most important, one of the most important things on your schedule today, the first thing I would like you to do is do a Google instructional video that is posted on Google Classroom. We'll go to the Google Classroom page so you can see how it's organized in a minute. For math today, you have lesson 12.1, lesson and practice. There's a video and practice assignment. And then for fun, I created a measurement scavenger hunt for you and your family to do, as well as ST Math if you have extra time. If you have done the lesson practice and the scavenger hunt and you've done a whole hour of math, feel free to just get ST Math. There's a little extra for today, excuse me. For language arts, we're starting a project. This was one that we had already planned and talked about. It is our Cinderella project. You get to choose 2 Cinderella stories from different cultures, listen to them, and find the themes. For science, we're going to finish our slideshow on biomes. That needs to get done today because we're going to do an activity with it tomorrow. So your entire slideshow needs to be done today. So let's take a look at Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is organized by day. Right up here, it says Tuesday, March 24th. Now, all of these are gray right now because they're scheduled to appear. So the first thing is Google Classroom tutorial. That's the thing I want you to do very first. To do it, you're going to click on it and follow the link to Edpuzzle. Edpuzzle is going to have you sign in with Google in order to do it. Next is math. We have, again, another Edpuzzle link, so you'll need to log in with Google. The steps are right here on the board. You will need your, or on the board, on your screen. You will need your math book for this. 12.2 measurements benchmark practice. So this is the practice pages that we normally do and correct in class. But since we can't correct them in class, we have to correct them online. So I'm going to show you what that will look like. This is the Google form that we will be doing for your practice. You're going to start by putting your name on it. The numbers on here are numbered based on what your math book says. So the first problem is the height of the computer, and you're going to read the directions up here and select an answer. When you're done with this section, you're going to press next. It is important for you to write down your work in your math book because Google Forms does not save your work. I repeat, Google Forms does not save your work. So please write down anything in your math book. If you refresh it all, close the page at all your answers will be lost. However, if you have them written down, you can easily plug them in when you're done. When you finish the math assignment, there will be a submit button, and then you can check your graded work. So you can see how well you did. If you got a really bad score, then you should probably redo it. You can do the form as many times as you want. So that link is right there. The measurement scavenger hunt is a PowerPoint or a slideshow right in here. It has its own instructional video. Our biome conclusion, there's a video that goes over that and what you need to finish up for today. Cinderella Stories Around the World also has its own video. And then this assignment will not be turned in tomorrow because it's going to take a couple days. So when you finish today's assignment for the Cinderella project, you're going to turn this one in by marking it as done. So there won't be anything to submit, but you'll just mark as done saying that you have selected your story, listened to both stories, and taken notes. And that is it for our Tuesday. Have a lovely day. Message me on Google Classroom if you need anything. Your parents can also message me on Facebook Messenger if that works better. Thanks so much. I miss you guys. Have a great day.